What's up, y'all? It's your guy right here, Micaiah the pharmacist, Free Haven Farms. We're getting some butterhead lettuce in the ground right now. I be telling you guys all the time about companion planting. I got some shallots, the onion family, some shallots right here on the edge, which is acting as a pest control, a deterrent to any of the pests that I don't want to get on my lettuce. So notice the way that I'm making my holes, all right, where I want to put my lettuce. It's in between the two onion plants, the two shallots. In between there is where I'm going to have my hole. That lets these plants in a very small space stretch out. I got the other line going down about 6 inches, maybe a little bit less. That's good spacing for this particular plant, these butterhead lettuce. I want to be able to get as many as I can in this small little space right here. Get outside. Now's the time for you to plant your lettuce. It's lettuce season. We're growing about 4 or 5 different varieties of lettuce out here. So I'm going to be giving you game on all the lettuce that we're growing. Y'all stay rooted. Keep growing. Yeah, we out here. We growing. We rooted. Bless.